Welcome to Pating Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Corsair Vengeance i8100 series pre-built gaming PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this pre-built gaming PC for yourself and get it at an amazing price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Corsair Vengeance i8100 series gaming PC. It's a pre-built gaming computer that's perfect for playing your favorite games. Let's dive right in. First, we'll talk about the pros. Number one is a super fast CPU. The Corsair Vengeance i8100 comes with a Core i9 12900KS CPU. That means your games will run super smoothly without lag or hiccups. Number two is the awesome graphics. It's got an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics card with 24 gigabytes of RAM. What does this mean? Well, you can enjoy lifelike graphics, and it's perfect for games with ray tracing. Number three is a huge memory. This gaming PC has a whopping 64 gigabytes of RAM and 4 terabyte M.2 SSD. That's like having a big library for all your games and files, and super quick access to those files. Number four is the liquid cooling. It has a cool feature called liquid cooling, so your PC won't overheat, even during long gaming sessions. You don't want your PC to get too hot, right? Number five is the Rgb lighting. The Corsair Vengeance i8100 has fancy Rgb lighting. You can make your gaming setup look super awesome with colorful lights that even react to your games. And number six is the IQ software. You can use the Corsair IQ software to control the Rgb lighting and monitor your computer's performance as well. It's like having a magic wand for your computer. And let's talk about the cons. It's a bit pricey. Now here's the tricky part. This game PC can be a bit expensive, so you might want to save up a bit, but remember, good things often cost a little bit more. And there you have it, folks. The Corsair Vengeance i8100 series gaming PC. If you're a serious gamer and want a powerful gaming machine, this could be the one for you. It's pre-built, has no bloatware, is super fast, has a lot of memory, amazing graphics, and play all your AAA games without any issues. You can open multiple tabs at the same time and do video editing with this PC as well. If you'd like to get this pre-built gaming PC for yourself and get it at an amazing price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.